Alright, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and let's get going. So, I slipped off the path, guys. I've been very, very bad. I said I was going to save 40K or plus for an electric vehicle, but I just strayed off of the goal. Alas, it also seems that Rivian is the only one that produces the only viable offering for a electric truck that I'm interested in as of right now. But I don't know. I added to the knife collection. I don't know what it is, but the buck lock blades just seem to appeal to me lately. I don't know what's caused me to go in on these buck lockbacks, but I'll go ahead and this one here is in rotation, so I don't have the case for it. But I'm going to set this one up here. Then I'll unbox this one. Okay, so what's the next one? This one here. Well, this one here is in semi-rotation. Another buck lockback. So let's see, what's this one here? Another one in a little sock. So let's undo this here. Okay. Now this one, these I haven't carried. I just haven't had a chance to make a video, so these have been kind of in the boxes, just hanging out in my room. There's another box here, another sock in it. So these are the first time these have been out of the socks. I think like one time when I first got them. I've had these things for a few months now. Okay, so I'll just go down the top, I guess, and show everybody what I bought here. The first one here is the model 110, Buck Model 110 Slim Pro. Basically takes after the original old brass and wood handle Model 110 lockback design. This one's a little bit slimmer though. It isn't as thick as the original traditional Model 110. It sports a green micarta scales, a 3 3/4 inch blade, and it's an S30V. And also, if you look on the back here, it says Boss, so it's a Paul Boss heat treat, which is pretty cool to have. And I also like that clip. I'm not sure if this knife here is offered anymore. I wish they would offer it, and I really do. And I do actually lug this run around almost every day. So the next one down here is the Buck Model 110 Hunter Sport green micarta scales with the black aluminum bolsters. It's a 3 3/4 inch blade, S30V steel. It's the Model 110. You can see it's got the green micarta bolsters there. Green micarta scales with the black aluminum bolsters. Also, if you look on the back, there is also another, on the Orcasa there is another Paul Boss heat treat icon or logo there. And this is actually pretty cool. I carry this one usually in pocket clip carry on my days off. I like the micarta. The micarta actually grips seems like it provides a very nice grip. So the next one down here is the Buck Model 112 Slim Pro. So the 110 is the longer one. The 112s, as you can see, are slightly shorter there, sitting on top of the other. And the 112 Slim Pro, it's a green G10 with a 3-inch S30V blade, and once again another Paul Boss etch icon on the other side of, or our logo on the other side of the blade. And I did have that NRA edition 110 or 112 Slim, and it was pretty neat. I lost it somewhere. I don't know if I was pulling my keys out of my pocket and it came dislodged. But you know, this is the first time I really handled this knife. I just put off on making the video, and I want to kind of save them for the video. I don't want them beat up, and I've only been carrying these two here. But this is a neat little blade, you know, that kind of fills a nice niche, you know, in the. So I can still have my Model 110 style lockback, but still have a more compact design. So, as opposed to say this thing here, I mean, that's actually still a pretty light knife. Fills out the hand good, but in situations where I don't want to lug a big handle around in my pocket, that fills a nice niche. So another one that fits a nice niche too is the baby brother to this one, the Model 12 Ranger Sport. It's an S30V blade. It's a 3-inch blade. Also the Paul Boss heat treat icon. But anyway, it's the 112 Ranger Sport, and fits pretty nice in the hand. Has the same attributes, basically. You know, it seems like it's a smaller version of this one here. So once again, you know, it's a little on the thicker side, but once again, there may be that niche where I don't want a long blade running around in my pocket, and this could fill the need for certain things. You know, make a great backpack or bug out knife, or you know, or keep it in the truck. You know. Very, very, very rarely would I ever forget to lose a knife, but keeping a knife in the truck has saved me, because I ran out to my truck and did have my carry knife in the truck for the day, because I keep an extra. But I'm going to probably put this into the rotation pretty regularly. So, but that's the 4 new additions to the knife collection. I veered off of my path, and I'm hopefully going to get back on and start saving again. But that's just how it kind of happens, you know. You know, I'm human, and I just strayed from my goals and got on to collecting a few more buck knives. But I'm glad I bought them. I do like having them around, and you know, I know I got plenty of knives, but I'm gonna probably buy another carrier pouch to put these in, so I can carry these in rotation and open the carrier. There's like a fold that I have that I can put knives in and out of rotation with. And I've been almost carrying lockback knives exclusively for the last year. I don't know why I never thought I would ever go to carrying lockbacks, but I just wound up buying and carrying more lockbacks. It's just kind of interesting. I thought the Model 110 Buck would be the last knife I ever carry, and it's kind of changed. The ideas kind of changed a bit. Oh, I got one more thing to show you guys real quick. Be right back. Yeah, they actually take that screw off to remove this thing. It was in there pretty deep. This guy here probably would fit pretty good though. Real low on the thing. And then if I were to tighten that down. So still, you know, so it's pretty good. It's a pretty good hold on that. So kind of cool, you know. Have a knife on the waist too, and maybe a knife in the pocket. Or wearing Levi's or something with a tucked in shirt, put that on the waist. I wonder if this one works better if I tighten that down. Nice. Well, anyway, that's the newly acquired additions to the collection, and just wanted to share that with you guys. So I wouldn't let any haters hate on my my buck 110s or 112s. I don't worry about the haters. I just let the haters worry about me. Don't worry about the haters, just let the haters worry about you. Alright? Catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.